showing you the world in a way too early. Red hardy travelpreneur. Catch flights, build dreams, now it's your turn. Yeah. Let's go, travel more, live more, build more, build more.
Let me ask you something. Have you ever thought about starting an online business, but then immediately said, I do not have enough time? You work all day, you have bills, you have responsibilities. You may have family, kids, errands, and a whole life outside of work. So the idea of starting a business can feel overwhelming. But here's the truth. You do not need 8 hours a day to start. You need a clear plan, a simple offer, and a few focused pockets of time each week. Today, I am going to show you how to start an online business while still working your full-time job. The first thing you need to understand is this: your job is not the enemy. A lot of people think they have to quit their job to build a business. That is dangerous thinking. Your job can actually fund your dream. It pays your bills while you build. It gives you stability while you learn. It gives you breathing room so you do not make desperate decisions. The goal is not to run from your job overnight. The goal is to use your job as the foundation while you build something that can eventually give you more options. That mindset changes everything. The second step is to pick a simple online business model. Do not start with something complicated. You do not need a huge website, a full team, a fancy logo, or a giant product line. Start simple. You can sell a service. You can promote affiliate products, you can build a coaching offer, you can create digital products, or you can join a business model that already has the product, system, and support in place. The key is this: pick something that does not require you to build everything from scratch. When you are working full-time, simplicity wins. Now let's talk about your audience. A big mistake beginners make is trying to talk to everybody. Everybody is not your audience. You need to ask yourself, who do I want to help? Maybe it is busy moms who want extra income. Maybe it is people who love travel. Maybe it is people who want to leave the paycheck to paycheck cycle. Maybe it is beginners who want to make money online but do not know where to start. The more specific you are, the easier your content becomes. When you know who you are talking to, you know what problems to solve. Here's where most people mess up. They try to copy someone who has all day to work on their business. You cannot build your business like someone who has 10 free hours a day if you only have one. So build around your real life. Maybe you work on your business 30 minutes before work. Maybe you create content on your lunch break. Maybe you follow up with prospects at night. Maybe Saturday morning is your planning time. You do not need a perfect schedule. You need a repeatable schedule. Small, consistent actions beat random bursts of motivation every time. When you are building an online business, your content becomes your storefront. People need to know what you stand for, what you offer, and how you can help them. This does not mean you have to post all day. Start with one platform: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or LinkedIn. Pick the platform where your audience already spends time. Then create content around 3 things: their problems, their goals, and your solution. Your content should make people say, this person understands me. That is how trust starts. Let's keep your content plan simple. You do not need to post 5 times a day. Start with 3 to 5 posts per week. One post can educate. One post can tell a story. One post can ask a question. One post can speak to a problem. One post can invite people to learn more. For example, if your audience wants extra income, you could post about time freedom, common money struggles, simple online business ideas, mistakes beginners make, and why starting small matters. The goal is not to sound perfect. The goal is to stay visible. Visibility creates conversations. Conversations create opportunity. When someone asks a question, start a real conversation. A lot of people post content and then sit back waiting for magic to happen. That is not a strategy. When people comment, respond. When people like your post, engage with them. You do not have to be pushy. You can simply say, I saw you liked my post about starting an online business. Is that something you have been thinking about? That one question can open the door. Business grows through relationships, and that is a fact you can count on. Now let's be real. Building a business while working full-time takes energy, so you have to protect it. Do not try to do everything in one day. Do not stay up every night until 2 a.m. Do not compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. Your job is to build steady momentum. Some days you will only have 20 minutes. Use the 20 minutes. Send the message. Write the post. Record the quick video. Learn one skill. Follow up with one person. progress does not have to be loud to be real. So here's the bottom line. You can start an online business while working a full-time job. You just have to stop thinking it has to be perfect before you begin. Pick a simple business model. Choose a specific audience. Create content around their problems and goals. Start conversations. Use the time you actually have. Your full-time job does not have to stop you from building something online. It can fund the beginning of your next chapter. So my question for you is this. If you could start an online business without quitting your job, what would you want that business to help you? Drop your answer below or message me the word START and I will help you take the first step.
Yeah, pack your vision, yeah. Book the dream, it's time to move different. Trey Hardy, entrepreneur, showing you the world.